So I've finally purchased a new makeup palette, and this is the Bretman Rock collaboration with Wet n Wild. Just looking at it excites me. This is a makeup tutorial on this first look because I'm gonna be doing a series of different looks that you can sport using this wonderful palette. So if you want to know how I created this look, please stay tuned. For this look, I used the color Deeper and Don't Be a Lion, Flaming Hoe, and King of the Jungle. The color payoff is absolutely wonderful. I've never had any problems with all the 4 shades. This look was actually inspired by Firefly Lane. On episodes 3 and 4, Katherine Heigl was sporting this makeup, but I made it a little bit extra. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please click the thumbs up button, and I hope to see you again in my next makeup tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you again soon. If you need to go out, please wear a mask. Stay safe, everyone. Bye!